A car in the house collided? Wow, what happened? You return home from errands and find your neighbor in your home trying to put things back where they were because they lost control of their car and ran through the front wall of your home into the bedroom. The interior was also damaged. Wow. They hit the door and cracked it. There's a crack in the wall. More damage everywhere we look. I don't understand this. Gill Construction's crew came out to secure the home and board it up and worked with the insurance company to help the client. Here, they're looking at a variety of brick samples, trying to find something to match the home. Unfortunately, this color brick had been discontinued and is no longer available. Our brick suppliers couldn't find anywhere. We began framing the exterior wall back up, and they were able to reinstall the side light on the one side. It had not been damaged. Great news there. You can see they covered the floor. We covered the floor just to try and protect it while we're working. Our electrician came and had to reinstall some electrical that was damaged during the accident. Insulation was added back into the exterior wall, repairing the sheetrock, and here the electrician had to also reinstall this outlet that had been damaged. Windows and waterproofed exterior wall is happening. New window was installed in the center. The delivery of the stone for the exterior of the home was happened. This is going to replace the brick that is no longer available. Our client chose a limestone that will add a wow factor to the front of the home and update it. It was actually called Nicotine. It's a beautiful limestone. Time to add new sheetrock around the windows. The other side light that was covered here will be cut out. Exterior waterproofing wrap has been installed to prepare for a new stone installation. I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. Paint and molding. Paint was matched to the paint in the interior of the home. Molding reinstalled. New baseboards where they had been messed up. Damaged doors and casings were replaced. Damaged walls and windows have all been repaired and inspected. Wow, look at the job the masons did. They installed the new stone and made sure that there was a brick outline of the windows. Wow, it makes the home look so updated and actually makes the exterior look more new. A great updated look for the exterior of this home. The stone really complements the brick, and we have a wow factor.